Good afternoon, I'm Daniel,
Hi, I'm Angus.
and this is young Storm, who's been very patient through trying to film this video. Angus and I have been together for around 3 years, been engaged for probably the last 18 months or so. We both live in a very sunny Queensland, which is a state in Australia on the eastern side of it. It's February, and to give you an idea, it's about 32 degrees today, so we're coming out of our summer, but we have a backyard that's like this.
Yeah, nice and hot. It's a beautiful place to be.
Angus and I have been talking for quite a while now because we've recently become uncles. We've got a 2-year-old and a coming up on 1-year-old with Angus's older sister. And seeing these two little rugrats run around, two boys, playful, getting into everything, it's really started prompting the question as to what do we want and how do we want our family to be.
Yeah, so Dan and I both grew up in really, really big families, which we were so fortunate to have, and have really fond memories of how we grew up with our siblings next to us riding bikes and having plenty of space to run around. Dan and I, having conversations, would love to have that with our own little family as well, to start that little, that gorgeous process as well. Being really close family, we've had chats with all of our parents and siblings and grandparents about how that would be for us, and both of us were very fortunate to have my twin sister Victoria offer to donate an egg for our process. So that was something that's really special, and actually is happening at the end of this month. So it's February 2022 at the moment, and hopefully in 2 weeks' time we should have embryos retrieved and eggs retrieved and embryos being made. So that's really exciting. Yeah.
What we're looking for is just somebody, that kind-hearted lady that can help us fill in that last piece of the puzzle when it comes to creating our family. A boy or girl, we're not fussed. We'd love one, we'd love two, but whatever we can get, we just know we would be so blessed to have something that can run around our little home and run around in our backyard that we can dote on and love unconditionally.
Dan and I are really big bookworms, so we love to read, and we'd love to find someone that also is into reading. And we also love movies as well, so we love to sit down with Harry Potter or something on the weekends. So that's a little bit about us. We'd hope to have a special connection with that surrogate. Obviously, that's so important for us, and someone that we can chat to about our concerns and vice versa. So we'd really love to be someone to share that whole journey with, from go to woe. So that's something we're really looking forward to, and something we can hope you could help us with as well.
Yeah, and obviously we're very new to the process of having children, so we don't know what we're doing when it comes to the pregnancy process and that sort of stuff. We have sisters, thank goodness, so that we can talk about how they went through their journey, but certainly happy to have somebody point us in the right direction.
That guidance would be immeasurable. Just one quick thing to finish on. We thought something that might be good to share is probably what we look forward to as our proudest memory of being a parent, and we hope that we can be two very proud dads at the front gate of the school on the first day of day one, in year one, for our little tots. So
living those milestones with them.
So that's what we really look forward to, and we hope to hear from you all soon. So have a good day and hear from you soon.
Hello from Australia.
Bye bye.
Have a good one.